Hey guys, 2016 Ford Explorer, limited 3.5 front wheel drive. These Explorers have the heavy duty rotors. I think it's 350. I'll show you guys right now. I'll give you guys more information. I believe it's 750-10 DL. Replacing those old Z23s power stops. I've been having trouble braking. I've been getting a vibration from when I'm in the freeway and I'm getting off the freeway. Let's say you're going 60, 80 miles per hour, and then you're getting off the freeway. You suddenly have to stop, because traffic stops pretty quick. I get a vibration on my front wheels coming almost down where probably about 20 miles per hour, and then I get a vibration there. So I decided to replace the rotors. Something very important. I don't know if anybody's gonna have trouble with this, but I was reading here. You know, it says for number 2, loosen and remove both and the lock pin and guides. See figure 1 carefully. Set aside pins so they do not come in contact with other greases, fluids, dirt, etc. Lock pin L on head, guide pin G. That's pretty important because one of them as you guys can see, one has a rubber bushing and one doesn't. Okay, so you guys need to listen to this and read it if you guys ever need when you guys are replacing your brakes here. The upper or top pin on the bleed screw. I'm gonna go up here really quick so I can show you guys. This is the top. This is the bleed screw right here. Okay, so this one here, the top screw side of the caliper should be marked as pin L. Pin L, okay? So the one with this paper is far away from me. Right when I had to do this, but anyway, I'm gonna show you guys here. You guys probably won't be able to. I'm gonna try and focus this as best as possible, but you probably guys won't be able to see it, but it's marked G, so that's wrong. That's wrong, guys. The one that we need for here, you guys can see L is on the bottom. That is wrong. Okay, so we're gonna swap it back to the top. And I'm just doing this so you guys can see that these are different, and including this one, as you guys can see, no rubber bushing there. Okay, so that is not right. I don't know who did the brakes here before, but just trying to pass the knowledge on here. I'm gonna get the right pins with the bushings and everything, and make sure I get that fixed. But I just wanted to pass this on to you guys. Okay. So again, 2016 Ford Explorer Limited 3.5, heavy duty brakes, heavy duty rotors. Hopes this helps you guys out and make sure that you guys do the installation properly in the future.